In this video, let's see the BMW 15mm wheel spacers before and after. Let's go. After installing the 15mm BMW X5 wheel spacers, it can reduce the gap between the tire and the fender. This improves the cosmetics and stability. Most BMW X5 look better when the wheel gap is not so pronounced and the tires are flush with the fender. Consider a proper set of 15mm wheel spacers if you are trying to achieve a unique sporty look. 15mm wheel spacers will add about 15mm back spacing for your wheels, whether you are upgrading to larger diameter wheels or bigger performance brakes. Getting the back spacing correct will eliminate most friction problems. If you add the 15mm wheel spacers on each wheel, that adds up to a total of 30mm track width. You don't need to worry about the wheels hitting the fender after installing 15mm spacers on your BMW X5. If you are concerned that the spacers will cause vibration, we recommend that you buy high-quality half-century wheel spacers. A half-century wheel spacer comes with your half-century lips to transition. The protrusion may extend a few millimeters beyond the half-century lip of the wheel spacers on some vehicles. In this case, you will need to change to wheel spacers within the half-century lips. For a better fit of the wheel spacers to the hub projection, use BONOSS half-century 15mm wheel spacers. Every vehicle is different. As long as you choose the right half-century 15mm wheel spacers, there is no problem. The precision of the BONOSS 15mm wheel spacers has reached 0.02mm. Precise 15mm wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effective guarantee safety, stability, and reliability. They also ensure the smooth operation of vehicle wheel parts. 15mm wheel spacers fit perfectly on the X5. The wheel spacers push the wheel out slightly. Unlike these outstands, remember to install the same size of wheel spacers on the wheels as well. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.